Okay, here's a quick exercise and notes for reviewing circles. So we're looking at this worksheet here. If you don't have it, print it out at home. If you didn't get it from me in class, center, radius. All right, these circles are going to be drawn what? On a coordinate plane. If you notice, there's an x-axis here, right? X-axis and a y-axis. But so it's not in the middle like you're used to seeing it in the middle all the time. So it's kind of like moved over. If you look at this one over here, well, the x-axis is over here. The y-axis is over here. Okay, the center. Yeah, the center is that middle point. The point in the middle of the circle. Yeah, right here. Boom. Now watch out when you look at these lines. I don't know if you can see it on your paper there if you got a good print, a good copy, but sometimes they're not going by increments of 1. Sometimes we're going by increments of 2 or by half or something, so just watch out. Here, the coordinates to locate this center is what? 2 on the x and down 3, so here the center is what? 2, negative 3. Well, that's easy, right? 2, negative 3. Just give me the location, give me the coordinates of the center. And then the radius. The radius, remember, the radius exists throughout this whole circle. But you're not going to measure it this way. You're not going to measure it like a crooked way like this. I mean, I know it's any distance this way. But now that we're looking at a coordinate plane here and on a grid here, on an XY axis, you can measure, you can read the radius. Again, it's from the center to any point. You can go to the right? Go horizontally. That's right. It's a consistent distance all the way around, right? It's the same distance all the way around. So I don't care if I measure it or I get the number from here. I can go to the right or you can go to the left, right? Can I measure it also this way and see to the left? It'll be the same amount. Or how about up? Right? You can measure it and see it and count it up this way vertically or down, right? Go either right or left or up or down, but never measure it like kind of sideways or diagonal, right? Why left, right, or up and down? Because we can count. We can count this way. So does that mean the radius is 4 because this stops right here at 4? No, that can't be the radius. The radius, it's from the center here, and then just watch your increments. If I'm at 2 and it stops here at 4, well, what's this radius here? It's just 2, right? So we're just going to put r is equal to 2, right? R is equal to 2, the radius is 2, and we already talked about the center. That's what you're going to be doing for right here real quick. And sure enough, if you count this way, it'll be 2, or if you count this way, it'll be 2, or if you count this way, it'll be 2. Okay, so real quick, number 2. Here we go. Anybody get this one, number 2? Center? Right here, huh? Yeah. What's that? Watch the increments. Watch this. Sometimes the x is actually different from the y, so be careful. On the x, it's 4. So I'll put C for center. 4 on the x and 3 up, huh? Is that right? Yeah, easy. The coordinates of the center, which is the center, the middle point of the circle, the center, is 4, 3. And the radius? Well, the radius, you can measure it up or down or right or left, but never diagonally. I'm going to get 1, 2, 3. I got 3. Make sure the increments are going by 1. Yep, I got the radius to be 3. We're good? That's easy, huh? Okay, that's it. That's what we're doing. All right, looking at this one, number 3, what'd you get? Oh, this one's not going by ones. Watch the units on the numbers here on the x-axis and watch them on the y-axis. Be careful there. The center is what? Well, if you count the lines, I don't know if you can see the little lines in between. It's not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See, it's not. It's going by halves, by 0.5, right? So watch out. But you can see here it's what? The center is 3 and not 2. it's going by half, 0.5. It's actually 3 what? All right, we're good? 3, 1. Did everybody get 3, 1? Don't put 1, 3. That's the 1, 3 would be like 1 this way and 3 up. That'd be over here. That's a different place. That's the center. What about the radius? Well, if I just start counting lines here, you're going to count 2 lines. You're going to say the radius is 2? No. I don't know. Some of you can see the little lines in between, but it's not, right? Look at from 3 to 4 is only what? 1. The radius is 1, yeah? Radius is 1. Okay, I'll just do that. I mean, there's 3 more, but we'll just go 1 more. What about this one here? Where does it look like the middle, the center of the circle is? Right here? No. I think it's this one, huh? That one? Yeah, that looks right. And that is what? Well, the x-coordinate is that. The y-coordinate is that. Okay, right? Oh, yeah, and again, pay attention to where the xy axis is. Here's the xy axis here. Whereas if you look at the previous one, see the xy axis was over here. So, yeah, just watch out for that. Okay. So last one, you got 2 other ones you can work on your own. But this one, the center is what? 3, -2? And the radius? Ooh. It's at 3 here, and it stops here at 7. So how much is that?
1.
Or you can count, right? It's going by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, come on. All right, it's 4. It's at same distance all the way around, right? Or if I had something like this. This is the radius, right? It starts like this, and it's going that same distance all the way around. That's why it makes a perfect what? Perfect circle, right? Easy day right here. Okay, you guys finished the last 2.